Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a DIY video, but today I am going to be showing you how to DIY a few phone covers in a few different styles. So a lot of us buy these expensive phone covers from Amazon or from other places just to make our phone look better. But I thought, why not just make these phone covers yourself instead of spending so much money on them? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make plain simple phone covers more cute, aesthetic and beautiful. So let's get into the video.
The materials required for this DIY are a transparent phone case, a pencil, scissors and some patterned papers. I bought this booklet full of patterned sheets from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. So the first thing we need to do is choose a pattern that we want on our phone case. I decided to use this beautiful colorful pattern that I had in my booklet. Then keep your transparent phone case on top of that patterned paper and draw its outline. After you're done drawing the outline, cut it out. After cutting it out, put the paper inside the phone case and make sure that the patterned side is on the outside of the cover. The last thing we need to do is trace and cut out all the other small details on the phone case. So this is how it turned out. The materials required for this DIY are a transparent phone case and 2 nail paints of any color. This is probably one of the easiest DIYs that you'll ever come across. The only thing that you have to do is paint your phone case with the nail paints. Consider the nail paints as any other normal paint that you'd use on a paper, but instead you're using it on your phone case now. I already had a pattern in mind, so I didn't draw it first with a pencil or a chalk, but you could if you want to. To find inspiration for what pattern I want on the phone, I just simply went on Pinterest and searched for some phone covers, and I found some amazing phone covers that I wanted to recreate. So I first made some stripes using the white colored nail paint in 2 different directions. Then I waited for it to dry and filled in the remaining space in between the 2 stripes with a different colored nail paint. I also painted 2 cute little hearts just because I thought they looked cute. After the first coat of nail paints had dried, I went in and did another coat on top of them just to make them more prominent and impactful. So this is how the cover looks after you put it on the phone. One thing that you need to keep in mind while painting a transparent cover is that the colors on it should go with the color of the phone. The materials required for this DIY are a plain phone case of any color, some patterned paper, a scissors, Fevicol and a pencil. So the first thing that we need to do is to choose 2 patterns of our choice. The first pattern that I chose was this blue striped pattern. The next thing is to cut out a random piece from this patterned paper. Make sure that that piece is either equal to or larger than the width of your phone cover. Then just keep that piece on your phone cover and draw a line from wherever you want to cut that piece. After cutting that piece, you just have to apply Fevicol on it and stick it on your phone cover. Now, just find another pattern that you think will complement the earlier one that you have put on your phone cover and repeat the same process. I put only 2 patterns on my phone case, but you can put as many as you want and of whatever size you like. You can be as creative as you want to be. This is how the final product looks. So this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.